latest updates, subscribe to News9. The tensions between South Korea and North Korea have escalated in the past 2 days. The latest threat comes from North Korean leader Kim Yo-jong. The powerful sister of North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has threatened South Korea. South Korea has been threatened of military action by Kim Yo-jong, the younger sister of Kim Jong-un. She slammed the capital, Seoul, for declining bilateral relations. The tensions between the two countries have been escalating over the last few months. Tensions have increased over South Korea not controlling protests against North Korea on their soil. North Korean capital Pyongyang cut all communication with South Korea after this standoff. The tensions between the two countries have been simmering for the last 1 week. North Korea has suspended virtually all cooperation with the South in the recent months. The relations between the two countries have worsened, and earlier this month, Kim Yo-jong had warned South Korea of stern action. She has now reiterated her threat. The threat of military action has not come from the supreme leader of South Korea this time around. The latest threat to South Korea has come from his younger sister, Kim Yo-jong. Kim Yo-jong is seen as the heir of Kim Jong-un. Seoul will be forced to pay a dear price if it continued to allow evil conduct by rubbish-like mongrel dogs by exercising my power authorized by the supreme leader, our party and the state. I gave an instruction to the arms of the department in charge of the affairs with the enemy to decisively carry out the next action. North Korea has declared that it would cut off all government and military communication channels with the South. Kim Jong-un's sister's stern warning proves her elevated status in North Korea. Even when Kim Jong-un had disappeared for a long time, it was his sister who had taken charge. She is known as the most powerful woman in the country and is known to be quite close and a confidant of Kim Jong-un. The state media recently confirmed that she is now in charge of relations with South Korea. Ever since she took charge, relations with South Korea have only worsened. North Korea has now threatened to abandon key inter-Korean peace agreements that had been reached by their leaders in the year 2018. South Korea has also said that it would push new laws to ban activists from flying the leaflets